Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Items that you have tagged, as described earlier, can be easily located by the tag. Click the checkbox that appears to the left of the tag in the Tags panel. The files matching the tag will appear in the Organizer window. In addition, the related keyword tags will appear in a thin bar above the Organizer window. You can further filter the search results by clicking any of the available options shown when you click the Options drop-down at the right end of the thin bar. If you have assigned ratings of 1 to 5 stars to media, you can filter for those images by clicking the desired comparison operator and then clicking the corresponding star above the Tags panel. Remember, you can switch back to All Media by clicking the All Media button in the upper left corner of the Organizer window. Another option to find your images is to use the Find menu, which is designed to help you locate your images based on a variety of criteria. To find photos using the Find menu, select Find in the menu bar and then choose a criteria by which to find images by clicking the desired criteria from the menu of choices. Enter the appropriate information in the dialog box and then click the Search button. All images matching your criteria will be displayed. When you are done, you can select the All Media button at the top of the Organizer window. When you use the Find menu, you will see one option for By Visual Searches. This option lets you search by visually similar photos and videos, objects appearing in photos, and even search for duplicates of photos you have selected. For example, to search for photos that contain a certain object, select the first photo, then use the Find menu bar command to select By Visual Searches, objects appearing in photos, then move or resize the search box that appears so that it covers the desired object. Then click the Search Object button to find photos in your catalog with the matching criteria.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.